Do whiteheads need to be extracted? Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a common skin concern: whiteheads. Do you ever wonder if you need to extract those pesky whiteheads out of your skin? Let's dive in and find out. Whiteheads are caused by blocked hair follicles, where dead skin cells, oil, and dirt accumulate. They typically appear on the nose, chin, and forehead, but can also appear on the cheeks and back of the hands. Whiteheads are not harmful, but they can be bothersome and unsightly. The answer to whether you need to extract whiteheads depends on factors such as the severity, location, and frequency of appearance. Generally, it's not necessary to extract whiteheads unless they cause irritation or discomfort. If you have a constant influx of whiteheads or they cause you significant discomfort, it might be a good idea to treat them. Here are a few tips to help you decide if you need to extract your whiteheads yourself. 1. Check the size of the whitehead. If it's small and not causing any discomfort, it might be worth waiting for it to disappear on its own. 2. Observe the frequency of appearance. If you have a constant influx of whiteheads, it may be a good idea to extract them more often. In conclusion, while whiteheads don't need to be extracted in most cases, if you find yourself dealing with constant irritation or discomfort, it may be a good idea to treat them. But remember, it's always better to consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns or questions about your skin. Happy cleansing!